you're two-sided, I already know. You let yourself slide, I keep that in mind. Just know if you try me, I'm out the door. I know you're bruised cause you're blue in the eyes. I see you're black too cause the devil's inside. So maybe the abuse is too much to disguise. You'll never.
Back at camp this year, and it's Girls Week, week 9. We're out here shooting some photos of girls skateboarding. We're gonna do a photo shoot. I'm really hyped on it because it's really awesome when girls are put in the spotlight, especially for skateboarding because obviously it's a male-dominated sport. So it's really, really cool that I get to be a part of this. Very excited to see Megan again. It's been so long. Megan's had a really successful year. She was in the X Games. That's insane. I'm just so excited to see her doing all these really cool things.
But you gotta wait until it's almost back to her feet.
Okay, we got flashes out, which is really cool. That always makes the skate photo look so much better, I think. I'm gonna take some photos. It's gonna be fun. It's gonna be so much fun. It's probably a little too early.
Yeah, that's too early.
Like, should I lay down?
So that's like a little bit.
So she's more in the sky?
Yeah, get down lower.
Digital media is like the best thing to come to Camp Woodward for, just because you get to take advantage of all of this equipment that is so expensive, so hard to get a hold of, so hard to just like figure out on your own and learn how to use it. So it's really cool like coming back here every year and like learning more and just getting to take advantage of it.
There we go. There we go. That's way better. Nice, yeah, that's sick.
What are you doing? So I need to know when to take the picture. So Megan's gonna skate the stairs at the launch pad. Ah. Yeah, that's it. Got it. After like a while of shooting, you finally get the shot. Like, you know, like it's the one. It's pretty awesome because everyone around you is like, dude, that's so sick. I don't know, it feels pretty cool, not gonna lie. It's hard sometimes doing these pictures because I don't know the tricks. I don't know. What was the name of what you're doing?
Switchbone this 180.
Yeah, that thing. I don't know what that means. I don't know when to take the picture, so it takes some figuring it out.
She knows all the tricks. Low-key, Jordan's pro.
When I'm shooting with someone I don't know, it's harder because it's just a lot of pressure, but when I'm shooting with Megan, it's like so much easier. And the pictures always turn out great because I can actually just like settle down and take a picture. By the end of next week, I'll be skateboarding, she'll be taking the picture of me skateboarding.
We're gonna switch it up. Roll reverse.
Yeah.
Steele and I went over to Egypt and we got some quick clips. I actually did my first kickflip crook on a ledge ever. Learned that, it took me like 15, 20 minutes.
Shout out to the ledge, bro. Right here, G.
I think I'm definitely progressing here because everything, like you got small stuff and big stuff, so it all works out perfect. And I think just like the hype being at Woodward pushes you to learn new tricks.
Bang. It's a big squad today. We basically decided to kind of collaborate, get all the girls excited, come with the digital media kids and just kind of work together. Cameras everywhere, kind of gets people more excited to try a trick.
Riley, what are you trying?
Well, I'm gonna try and not eat it. That's number 1 on the list, but I think I'm gonna try and crook this rail.
So get your shot composed. She's gonna try a cricket grind right here. Your board's gonna be up like this here. Okay? So get your shot set up. Feel out that lens, right? So you can get right, yeah, but you can get right here. She's not gonna come anywhere near here. And what you're gonna do is focus right on this sticker right here. That's about where she's gonna try to hit. Okay? So her board's gonna be up like this. So as long as you're focused right here on that sticker, you'll hit the focus. and then just take a test on me. Make sure everything's working. Make sure you see a little bit of the ground and up top. You want to show that whole story. So this is just part of the deal, is you just wait for this trick to happen. You're in it together with her.
You got it right here. I'm being the local janitor today. This is all I'm good for, is cleaning the ramps. Just trying to crook. It's a circle road though, so it kind of makes it a little bit harder. She's getting into it every single try. I think she's got it.
Right there.
I just need 5 seconds. I think I just, oh man. Ow.
Jeez.
Y'all got me sending it today. Like, I don't even do this.
Right now Marley's trying to get that cricket grind, Kai's shooting. So we're trying to nail this photo. Obviously Marley's going through the paces here, so Kai's in the trenches over here just trying to get this done. So we're just waiting on Marley. Hopefully she could get it. I kind of joke with being in the trenches as a photographer with the athlete, but that's really what it's like, is literally being in the trenches until you get that trick. So you make that commitment as a photographer and as a filmer together to be committed to that trick. She's committed to landing it, we're committed to shooting it and getting the photo, so it's like going to war just for that photo. And the results on both sides, when it's over and when it's accomplished, it's amazing. That's what it's all about.
She keeps getting really close to getting it.
She's trying to crooked grind and it's going good. She's gonna get it. She's got it. She just needs to stick it.
Oh my God, that was it.
Sometimes it's like this, man. Sometimes you get your trick and sometimes you mop up the floor for half a day.
Kai, as a up-and-coming photographer, is dealing with the pressure of getting the actual make, getting the photo when it counts, because after this much time, you got to know that the pressure builds each time that person falls. So, no pressure, Kai, but a little bit of pressure.
I'm dying.
Oh, you got water coming
Hi,
behind you.
boys.
Take some water. Get some water.
Oh, let's go. Right here. All right, girl. This one's for Florida. Now we're cooking.
Nice! And we got the photo.
Look at me. Oh,
Commitment.
I love that. Sometimes you forget some of the things that you do, or like some of the hard things that you've had to overcome, and then once you get that photo and you see it later, you're like, you know what, dang, check me out. Look where I'm at now. Like, it just keeps you motivated to keep trying. So,
Keep trying.
I love it. Ew. Come here, my little braid twin.
Gavin just got hooked up by Nike SB.
Dude, thank you, Mike. You ruled, dude. Dude.
Yeah, you gotta pull it up.
Nike.
Yeah, and pull it out. I'm his dad, so.
He's so hyped right now. Thank you, Nike. So stoked.
These are way too big for Gavin. Got a fresh hoodie, colorful t-shirt here. Gavin, you wanna start pulling these out?
Yeah.
Here, let's start setting them on the ground.
Yo, look at this jacket. Someone's gonna be hyped on this. White jacket. Oh.
Right.
Shirt.
It's a jacket.
Bro, hey, looking steezy.
Got more clothes.
Mike hooked it up for these tees. Oh my gosh, these are some big tees. I want to go give these away now. I'm stoked because Nike sent me a few boxes of stuff. They sent me like 100 t-shirts. All right, let's go.
Yeah.
Right now. So we went over to the 8 stair. Today is the 8 stair contest. A bunch of people are skating it, warming up.
That contest is my bae. They just take that whole 8 stair section, make it like a huge competition, but it's like a best trick. Roman, Steele, Gavin and I, we all go.
There's a bunch of people shredding it.
The big 8 stair comp going down. It's fun. Right there.
Stair contest is hectic. Like, everyone's just trying to get their tricks so that they can get the crowd hyped, like, trying to do their thing.
That session, there's just a good 35 kids there, just all going ham and trying new stuff they've never done before, and it's really, really motivating. Lazer did a kickflip front board down it. I was just like, doing my warm-ups, tray flip, and I was feeling good, so I did switch front big spin.
Roman and Lazer were skating the contest, and they were both throwing down trick after trick. Like, it was crazy to watch.
He's going for backside flip, and then I tried Ghetto Bird.
Gavin got a huge box from Nike, so we're gonna throw some stuff out for tricks.
Decided to give it out to kids that land stuff. Oh, buckled. Mama cow, buckled.
Don't sweat the technique.
Lazer, towards the end of the contest, he's trying this trick called Ghetto Bird.
Lazer was trying Ghetto Bird down it. It's like a bird. It's kind of ghetto when he does it, so yeah.
It's a hard flip back 180.
It's so hard to catch and turn around and stick it.
He's getting pretty close. He's sticking a few.
Lazer was trying Ghetto Bird for about an hour and a half.
It's a hard flip back 180. It's really sketchy to do it down a stair set. It's got a sundae, bruh. That shaka. Sundae! Oh, my bad. That was my fault.
Right there.
Hot dog. I got the champ. A burger. You can't get this right here. All you need to do is just land it. I know what you need to do. You need to eat this before it gets cold. Take a bite of this and you'll land it.
Try one more, and then if I don't get it, I'm gonna just do it later.
Alright.
I'm over it. I need to go ice my feet, dude. My feet are dead.
He was just over it at that time, but he's gonna get it. I can promise you that.
Reach for the sky.
Next time on Season 9.
They don't really want to do it.
Jordan Puckett, she's a really good photographer. I watched season 8. CJ had a crush on her.
When 8-year-olds are calling you Miss Collins left and right, that's obnoxious.
That's pretty cool. Yeah.
Like showbiz, letting them know, kid, we never gonna stop till the top. Let it drop.
What it's like to be a famous 10-year-old. Yeah, this is your girlfriend.
Let them know you're right on the brink of disaster. Let them know we moving faster. We on track to outlast past the masters. We just laugh when they act up during practice.